Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have this stunning Porsche in from the dealership. It's come in because it hasn't got Apple CarPlay and it hasn't got DAB and it didn't have reverse cam. So what we've done is, I'll show you right now. I fitted a KENWOOD 8021. This has now given him DAB, which is just here. I won't turn it on due to copyright reasons. It's now given him Apple CarPlay, which has given him all his maps and apps, etc. If you do have an Android phone, this is not a problem. We've also added a reverse camera, so that will now give him a rear view if he needs it. And back to the unit. This is available at B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Cardiff. We're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. And this now has a 3-year warranty. So something like this interests you, give us a ring. We'd be happy to help, okay? I mean, absolutely looks stunning and just matches the aesthetics of the car. Thank you for watching.